picture? The table is being laid. What clues are there to tell the time of day?
You see the sun. So what time of the day do you think it is?
Lunchtime.
Okay. Is the sun way up in the sky or down a little lower?
Down a little lower.
Okay, and what do you think's on the plates here?
Dinner.
Alright, let's see what they say.
Breakfast items are on the table.
Breakfast
The
items.
sun is coming up.
Okay, so look again. The sun isn't quite all the way up in the sky, right? It's down lower. And yes, you might see that again at nighttime when the sun starts to set, but in the morning. They also have croissants and orange juice. I don't know if you eat croissants for breakfast. Who does? Anybody? Okay, so you use the clue you've never had one, so that might be what you know is breakfast, but some people have a little croissant for breakfast. Okay.
When in the day do you eat breakfast?
When?
You eat breakfast after you get up or before school. We call this time of day morning.
Morning.
What is happening in the picture? The girls are selling lemonade. A boy is walking some dogs. What clues are there to tell the time of day?
What clues? There's a lemonade stand now. I think it might be the afternoon. It might be a little hot. They're selling lemonade. Okay. Does it look like it's dark out or light out?
It looks like it's just the sun is right about to come out. Sky looks like it's like
Alright, let's see.
dark light.
It is light outside. Someone has got some lunch.
Oh, there's lunch there. I didn't even
When
see
in the
that.
day do you eat lunch?
Yeah.
You eat lunch in the middle of the day. We call this time of day afternoon. What is happening in the picture?
What's he doing?
The toys are being put away. When do you usually put your toys away?
I don't play with kids.
You usually put your toys away before dinner or before you go to bed.
Some people do.
I do.
What clues are there to tell the
Okay,
time
what
of day?
clues are there to tell the time of the day though? What do you see up here?
The moon.
The moon, right? Showing that it's dark outside too. It's not light.
It is dark outside. We call this time of day evening.
Evening.
Great job.
Okay, so we're going to be looking at time today, and we're going to be talking about what time of the day it is. Morning, afternoon, evening. So let's go to our solve and share. Make sure your name is on your paper. And let's listen.
Marta is thinking about all the activities she does before, during, and after school. Talk with a partner about the activities you do before coming to school, while you are at school, and after school. Draw one of the activities you do before school in the first box. Draw one of the activities you do during school in the next box. Draw one of the activities you do after school in the last box.
Okay, so since we're all in our desk set, but we're not going to get with a partner right now, we're going to talk about it together. Okay, so before school, what is something that you do before school? Raise your hand. Charlotte.
You get ready.
You get ready for school, right? You get dressed. Okay, what else? Eastlyn.
Eat breakfast before you get dressed.
Eat breakfast. Something you do before school. So far we got get ready and eat breakfast. Do you have another one?
And make your lunch.
Make your lunch. Okay, make your lunch before you come to school. If you do that, yes, Isla.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. There's another one. So in this box here, I want you to draw one of those things that you do. Draw a picture of what you do before school. So go ahead and do that now. Right here in this box. Okay, your name should be on the paper too. Draw something you do before school. Pictures that I see you drawing. I see some friends eating breakfast, brushing teeth, getting ready. Okay, now we're gonna think of activities we do at school. What is something we do at school, Minas? Homework, what? Do we do homework at school? We do that after school when we go home, right? What's something we do at school?
Math.
Math, we do math time.
We're doing math.
Aiden? Reading. Minas. Computers, good. Ethan. Lunchtime, yes. We have lunch. Snack, yes, we do that at school too. Calendar time.
Music.
Music.
Our special.
Our specials, yes. Recess.
Art.
Art. Okay, pick one of those things we do at school and draw that picture right here in the middle. In the second box. Choose one of the things you do at school. As you're finishing up, start thinking about what you do after school. And that's going to get drawn in the last box. So you can start working on that because I see some friends finishing up. After school, you're going to draw in the last box. What is something you do after school?
Like when you're at home.
After school. Yep. After you go leave here, what do you do at home? Draw that in the last box. After school, what are you gonna draw? Ethan, what do you do after school? Sleep. Oh, you go home and you go right to bed? Yeah? Or do you do something before that? No? Are you tired when you get home? Yep. Minas.
Homework.
Homework. That's where you're gonna do homework after school, right? You're gonna go home and do your homework. Isla. Oh yeah? You too. You like to sleep too. Change. Okay, some friends change out of their uniform. Yes. Eat. Yes, and have dinner, right? You have dinner after school. A little bit later, you might have a snack right when you get home. And then you have dinner. What else? Does anybody play outside if it's nice out? Yeah. Read a book. I hope so. Homework, yeah. We send homework.
Homework. You gotta read a book.
Yes, for homework we read books. Yes, Aiden.
I do dinner.
You have dinner. Wonderful. PJ,
I watch TV at home.
you watch some TV.
Yeah, I watch TV at home. I'm done with my homework.
After you're done with your homework. Wonderful. Ethan.
I was down from the bed and I feel my collar
Oh boy, that's awesome. Okay, wonderful. Those are some awesome things that we do there. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn one page.
But I'm not done. I'm not
So
done.
you see the video. Go ahead and finish up and then you can turn one page so you see the video part again. Just like this. Okay, when we were talking about before school, it was in the morning. During school, You do some things in the morning, but then that leads to the afternoon. And then after school, it's going to go into the evening when you have dinner and you start getting ready for bed. So we're gonna look at those words as we're doing our math today. Morning, afternoon, evening. So let's look at number 1. You're going to draw a circle around the activity that's happening in the afternoon. It's already done for you, so go ahead and trace over that circle there. Do you see how it's the afternoon though?
It's basically an oval.
What? It's an oval, yes, you're right. It's an oval shape. Thank you. The sun is shining, they're outside. And the other picture, they're watching TV and it looks like it's dark out. So we know that's not the afternoon, right? We know that's the evening, so we circle this picture. All right, go ahead and flip. All right, number 2. Draw a circle around the activity that is happening in the evening. So look at the 2 pictures. Which one is happening in the evening? The first picture, I see the boy selling what?
Lemonade.
Everyone. Lemonade. What is the sun doing? It's shining, right? So that's going to be what time of day? The afternoon, right? The afternoon. We're looking for a picture that's happening in the evening. Now let's come over here at this picture. She's eating what?
Dinner.
Dinner is it light or dark outside? Dark. In the evening it starts to get dark outside, right? It gets dark. So Ben, which one is the evening? There you go, the evening. Evening, very good. Evening time. All right, you fixed it? Okay, good. Now look at number 3. After breakfast, Daniel and Jada washed a car. Before he went to bed, Daniel cleaned his room. Draw a circle around the activity that Daniel did in the morning. I can say it one more time. After breakfast, Daniel and Jada washed a car. Before he went to bed, Daniel cleans his room. We are circling the activity that Daniel did in the morning. What's the clue that tells us what the morning is? After what? What did he do? After breakfast. Thank you. So that's a clue that it's morning time. After breakfast, he washed that car. So there's our clue. Awesome. Okay, everyone turn to the last page. Pretty simple today.
What a simple.
Okay, number 4. Listen again. After breakfast, Carlos plays with his toys. After lunch, Carlos took a nap. Draw a circle around the activity that Carlos did in the afternoon. Okay, so think about the afternoon. I'll read it one more time. The story. After breakfast, Carlos plays with his toys. After lunch, Carlos took a nap. Draw a circle around the activity Carlos did in the afternoon. Good. Okay, raise your hand if you need more time. Okay. You get it? Awesome. Okay, now look at number 5. Emily took her dogs for a walk before breakfast. After lunch, then, Emily sold some of her toys at a garage sale. Draw a circle around the activity Emily did in the morning. You're right, that's the one. That was right, that was circled right. Because remember, Carlos played with his toys after breakfast, and after lunch he took a nap. So which one did he do in the afternoon? Good. Okay, I'm going to read number 5 one more time. Emily took her dogs for a walk before breakfast. After lunch, Emily sold some of her toys at a garage sale. Draw a circle around the activity Emily did in the morning. Okay, now number 6. In the first box, draw an activity you would normally do in the morning. So go ahead and do that. In the first box, draw an activity you would normally do in the morning. What would you do in the morning? You're drawing that right there. An activity you would do in the morning. What's something you would do in the morning? It could be a weekend, it could be a school day. That's up to you. What's something you would do in the morning? Okay, after you draw your activity of what you would do in the morning, in the second box, you're going to draw an activity you would normally do in the evening. So over here, you're going to draw what you're going to do, what you would normally do in the evening. So morning's in the first box, second box is what you would do in the evening. What would you do in the evening, Bridget? Okay, very good. We'll get the video set up for just to kind of review what we did today. I know, you can finish drawing what you're doing in the evening. Maybe another minute or two and then I'll start the video. Nice. And I'm gonna draw something you do in the evening over here.
Hey, what's new? I'm going camping and these are the things I plan to do. I want to go biking in the morning. Then I want to go swimming in the afternoon. And I'll hike in the evening. Can you help me order these pictures to show when I'm doing each thing? Morning comes first. I'm going biking in the morning. Afternoon comes next. Swimming in the afternoon. Then comes evening. I'm going hiking in the evening. That's it. I have biking in the morning, swimming in the afternoon, hiking in the evening. Sounds like fun.